Just look at this smoke.
Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will have an experience of indoor barbecue together. So if you are interested, then let's get started. The very first step is to marinate the chicken. But before I marinate it, I'm going to pound it with the help of any heavy object. Like here, I have taken pestle of my mortar and I will pound this very lightly. This process will ensure that our chicken stays juicy from inside after being cooked. Once it is done, I'm going to cut it into bite-sized pieces. If you don't have whole chicken breast like here I have, you can pound the pieces of chicken as well. 2 to 3 light strokes will be enough for each piece. Now let's do some more preparations for the chicken. First, I'm going to make a fine paste of 4 to 5 green chilies, 3 to 4 stalks of spring onion, and a handful of green coriander. You can use spring onion if you have on hand, otherwise you can totally skip it. Now add this paste into your chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1.5 teaspoon of salt or to taste, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon green cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves, also known as sukhi methi. Now add half cup of thick yogurt and 1/4 cup of cream. Mix everything well together. Whenever we make barbecue chicken or any other meat, we need some kind of meat tenderizer. You must have noticed here that I haven't used any ingredient for that purpose because chicken here in Oman gets cooked so fast and easily that it doesn't require any kind of meat tenderizer. But if you are making it in any other part of the world, you know your chicken well. And you can add raw papaya paste around 1 tablespoon to tender your chicken. At the end, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Corn flour will act as our binding agent and will stick all the ingredients to the chicken. Again, mix well and leave it for at least 1 hour to marinate. So my dear viewers, I'm back after 1 hour. The chicken is marinated and my squares are ready too. As we are going to grill this chicken on our frying pan, so we have to customize these squares according to the size of our frying pan or griddle, as I will be using the griddle too. I have cut the squares with the help of a sharp knife. Now thread your chicken pieces on these squares one by one. 5 to 6 pieces per square will be enough. If you find any fillet kind of piece like this here, you can thread it first from right side and then from left side to hold it better on the squares. As you can see here, I have done it here. Here you go. All the squares are done. Let's move to the next step. Now I have got a charcoal piece which I'm going to place directly on my stove and let it heat. Meanwhile, I'm going to preheat my frying pan on medium flame. Once it is heated well, Grease it with some ghee or butter. I am using ghee here, but you can use whatever you prefer. Now add your skewers and add more butter or ghee. When you place your skewers on the griddle, it must sizzle and smoke as you can see here. Then cover it and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on medium to high flame. Turn them over after 5 minutes and cook from the other side too. But before turning them over, apply some ghee on top, on the other side as well. If they don't get your desired color, then cook them on high flame uncovered until you get this beautiful burnt texture. Repeat the same process with the remaining skewers. And as you can see here, I have switched to my griddle instead of frying pan because my frying pan burned so bad that I could not continue the process in the same frying pan. Because it's no longer a non-stick frying pan, I'm most definitely going to change it very soon, inshallah. There you go guys, just look at this. It's looking so tempting that I cannot resist myself. Now comes the fun part. Place all your squares back on the frying pan, or in my case, griddle. I have used an aluminium foil for making a small bowl kind of thing to hold my coal on this. As you can see here, you can use any other thing like a piece of bread or roti even, and place the coal on this and sprinkle around 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil and immediately cover the squares. Smoke them for around 2 to 3 minutes. This will give them a true fragrance of an outdoor barbecue. But if you don't like this process, you can totally skip as well too. So there you go, our indoor barbecue or chicken malai boti is ready to be served and enjoy. If you like the video, kindly give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and kindly share it with your friends and family too. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.